Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 25. Smoke, night time, the dark fortnight, also months of the southern solstice, attaining by these to the moon, the lunar light, the yogi returns.
Chapter 8, Shloka 25. धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा दक्षिणायनम् तत्र चान्द्रमसं ज्योतिः योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते.
Chapter 8, Shloka 25. As contrasted with the path of no return explained in the previous shloka, there is the path of sure return which is explained now. The path of return is presided by the moon, which represents the world of matter and is called as the path of the ancestors. Those who leave the world after spending their life in doing good and also performing rituals but not doing any worship or meditation are those who go to the world of the ancestors called heaven. After the merit of the good actions they have performed come to an end, they return to deserved embodiments ordered by their remaining vasanas, which are ready for expression and fulfillment. The path of the moon is indicated by the terms smoke, nighttime, the dark fortnight, the 6 months of southern solstice. The moon is the presiding deity of the sense enjoyments, and hence there is enjoyment in the heaven by its grace for a period and return after the merit is over. Thus, for one who in his lifetime struggles to raise himself above the matter entanglements and their identification with them goes to a higher spiritual realm from where it can reach the ultimate. But in case he courts pleasures, ever thinking of sensuality, then he falls to come back again into the field of action to make or mar himself. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Online. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.